Hello, I'm the manager of KEDA SUREMAKER AAC manufacturing department. You know our AAC equipment, how are they made? Please follow my camera. Go to our workshop to find out. Our KEDA SUREMAKER core production area of the AAC production equipment into two manufacturing regions, covering an area of 38,000 square meters and 23,000 square meters. It is divided into 6 production workshops. They are the cutting die welding workshop, precision machining workshop, surface treatment workshop, equipment workshop, electrical automation workshop, intelligent storage workshop. Today we will take you to learn more about manufacturing workshop for our AAC equipment. Now we are coming to the blanking and welding workshop. Behind me, it is a 6 kilowatts profile laser cutting machine. This machine can meet the profile length of 12 meters. Square tubes with a diameter of less than 360 special shape cutting of channel I-beam angle, steel and other profiles. Greatly improved profile opening. Cutting and cutting efficiency of upper special shape.